COVID-19, Coronavirus, Kids Smart by Letty and her Nona. Kids helping other kids.
COVID-19, also known as coronavirus. Is everyone scared like me? Why do people get coronavirus? Does everyone have to go to the hospital? How can I stay healthier?
This is really scary. I just don't understand why everyone is afraid.
Healthy me today. I don't feel sick at all. I want to go outside. I want to ride my bike. I want to climb the trees. I want to go to school. I want to play with all my friends.
What is my own immune hospital? Everybody has an immune hospital living right inside their body. The immune hospital holds many white blood cells, and they are the helpers in our own immune system. An immune system, when working in top shape, keeps us healthy. These blood cells move all over inside our body, and they are sort of like doctors and nurses in a hospital that help us. So let's call this special place our immune hospital. And those white blood cells, yep, they are the doctors and the nurses.
Oh no, Mom says someone doesn't feel so good. Poor immune hospital.
An alarm from our brain rings to send more doctors and nurses to the immune hospital, and do it quick. Hurry, quick, someone is feeling sick. Ring, 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 ring. Thank you, big brain. Thank you for the reinforcements to help my immune hospital. Thank you, immune system doctors and nurses, for helping me feel better.
Yay! I feel okay again. Let's go outside and play with all my friends. Why is everyone inside?
Maybe because of COVID-19, coronavirus. I don't feel good at all. Help! What happened to my immune hospital? The immune hospital can't tackle the big corona germy virus. Oh no! Mom says this doesn't look like a cold.
Off to the hospital. After a test or two, a long wait, the doctor says some super sick people may need to go to the hospital for medicine and care, or may need to stay in the hospital to get better. He says, my immune hospital can get better with help.
Getting a happy and healthy immune system is possible. What can I do to help myself? What can I do to help my family? And what can I do to help my friends?
I'm just a kid, but there are things I can do. Eat healthy, drink more fluids, take vitamins, use hand sanitizer in public, use soap and water whenever available, do not share food or drinks, tell parents if you or a friend feels sick, keep a distance between others, share healthy tips with friends and family, stay home if you're not feeling well.
Kids smart, or she's a smart kid. Staying healthy is a job for us all. A message from our house to yours. Love, Letty and her Nona.